Hey everyone, we just had the most incredible few days with Leonard. This video is Forward playing Mukatiende with Leonard just after we arrived. Forward headed off, he was still sort of recovering from his cold and everything. And Marcus and myself didn't feel abandoned at all. We just sank into playing Mbira with Leonard. Like, there was no pressure. We just really enjoyed chilling and playing, like, back to back for hours on end. Patricia really kindly left us to it, and she went out and worked in the fields and then came back and cooked our lunches and did all the washing up, which was just amazing. We just got so well looked after here. Enjoy the song.